I guess we're outside. We have the spoiler. I was able to put the tape all around it. We'll see how it looks like. Let me see how it's gonna look like. It should sit on like that. There we go. That's how it looks good, doesn't it? I think that's a little touch to it. All right, let me remove the tape, guys. I'm gonna show you guys once we're done. We're gonna stick it down good, and then hopefully it stays. It's fairly cold out here. All right, guys. So we got it in. Remove the little red strips. Came out very good. You can see it doesn't even come up. Well, what do you guys think? It adds a little bit to it. It gives it like a little spoiler on it. Alright guys, next what we gotta do probably is to black out that roof. I'll complete that look. It'll come out super nice. Yeah, what do you guys think? I know it's a short video. A lot of noise going on over there. Because this looks costs like about 50 bucks. Makes the car look good. Gives it a little spoiler to it. And yeah, you know what you guys think. Can't really see nothing in here. Actually, we can see something there, but that's okay. I want to make sure to keep it down. Keep pressure on it. And yep, I already feel it heating up, so